So even I like to,
Yeah.
post sad photos or videos sometime, like sad quotation. So sometimes my friends ask me what happened to you
Hmm.
like that. But I am not, to be honest, I'm not sad. But I like to post that kind of things. I don't know why.
Yes, actually, in everyone's mind, there is one kind of philosopher, and that can be wake up at every time.
Yes, it's perfect now. So tell me, how are you doing these days?
Yes, I'm doing great. And how about you?
Yes, I'm doing fantastic too. Thank you for asking. So it's been more a long time, I think. We met before also.
Really, it's really been a very long time.
Yes.
So, please, for our viewers, introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. So I will give my introduction. As you know, my name is Tanuja and I hail from Bhopal city. And currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company. And along with that, I run a YouTube also. It's all about conversational videos and sometimes shorts like related to English only. And apart from this, if I talk about my hobbies, so I love dancing, painting, and traveling sometime. That's all about me.
Wow, that's great. Lovely to hear about you.
Okay, can you give your introduction as well in a nutshell?
Yes, sure. As you know, my name is Geeta Thakur. I reside in Uttarakhand, Kashipur, and I am a teacher in a private school. Simultaneously, I am running my YouTube channel named Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am, where I upload English content on daily basis. And when it comes to my hobbies, so I love reading books, listening music, gardening, and yoga is my core of interest. That's a little bit about me. Yeah.
Oh, that's great to know about you. So, how's your practice going on and your YouTube?
Yeah, practice is also going on smoothly as well as YouTube is also going on. Yeah.
Okay. So, are you enjoying?
Yes. Yeah, I am enjoying because I am here to enjoy English, my English learning, and other things are just coming together.
Yes, yes. When it comes to
Yes.
like only reading and just watching any videos or something, so that is a
Mm,
kind of boring process. But when we connect with
yes,
people, especially from diverse backgrounds, so we feel energetic and we feel like yes, we need to learn this language because not only for learning purpose, but we get a lot of other information as well. So that's why we
yeah,
enjoy these things.
really.
Okay, so would you like
Yes,
to
yes.
discuss any topic or anything? So you can tell me. Otherwise,
Yeah,
I'll
if
ask.
you have any topic, you can start. Otherwise, we can talk randomly.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I was just thinking about the talking on the celebration part. Like any kind of celebration like birthday or marriage or anything. I want to ask some question related to this.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay, so first tell me, how do you celebrate your birthday?
Mm. First of all, whenever we just celebrate some special days, so why do we celebrate? We always celebrate to get happiness and to get joy in our life. If
Mm-hmm.
we are not getting any happiness and joy in our life, so there is no use of making any kind of celebration. And celebration are also depends on our personalities. Some people like to get happiness to just celebrate with a group, and some people just in themselves only.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it is up to us that how we are celebrating our days. When it comes to me, so I always celebrate my birthday with my husband and my family. I don't
Mhm.
want to just make this for everyone. Yeah, I never share my pics with my kids and means with my relatives and others one. Yeah.
Yes, you are right. It depends on every individual. Some people want a grand celebration, or we can say
Mm.
sometimes it is extravagant to spend money on such kind of things. So
Yeah.
if I talk about me also, so I love to celebrate birthday and any kind of occasion, I would say, but it shouldn't be like extravagant. It should be like
Yeah.
yes, we are together with our family members or some especially with our some special friends. So like it should be like moderate, I would say, not too expensive.
Yeah.
So yeah, this kind of celebration I like a lot. But nowadays the people are becoming soy person. They want to show
Yes.
a lot, especially because of social media, I would say. When we see
Mm,
other people, oh my God, they are doing such things on their birthday or their anniversary. So we feel
mm,
like to do something, same kind of things in most of the cases.
yes.
Yes?
Yeah, for this, social media is also responsible because people see another's families that how they are celebrating. So we should also go in the same run. So it should not be like that. It should be for your particular area, for your comfort, and in which you will get something or the other, not for others. Suppose if we are just planning for a huge party, and in the whole day you are busy for making all the preparations. So what is the use of that particular day? You haven't did anything special to yourself. You are totally busy in making your day beautiful for others and useful for others and not for you yourself. So there is no use of wasting time in these kind of celebration like that. First you first thing first first think that what you want, what are your goals, and what do you want, and how can you make your day special, do something extraordinary.
Yes, yes, you are right. So, okay, so do you like surprises, or if you want to share any incident that someone gave you surprise and you were very happy or like that?
Yes, of course, surprise is the thing that always fills our heart with joy because that are the sudden feelings of our heart. But if that surprise is coming to us in positive manner, so that is good. But if somebody is giving you any surprise and in between it becomes a chaos, so that time it is not going to be good. Yes, there are lots of surprises. Actually, in my life, I just want to share one surprise. I went to my mama's house in one of vacations, like I don't know, winter vacation or summer vacations, but my whole the family were going somewhere and they were ready, and I thought that it would be surprise for them, and they gave me surprise in return. They went to Sidavali. They were going to Sidavali at the same time. Though we were not ready, but my family and my mama's family, means my bhaiya bhabhi, we all went to Sidavali together. So it was totally surprise for me because I was not aware that there is some planning like that. I just managed somehow, but whole day we enjoyed a lot, and we went to Haridwar at the same time because it is just connected with that. So that day were really very amazing. I went to my mama's house only to spend some time and to do some shopping as well. Only as I live in village, so I mostly do my shopping from my mama's house, means from UP. But it was accidentally that happened. So it was really great day and we all enjoyed a lot.
Yeah, this kind of surprises gives the different kind of happiness. So yeah, we
Yes,
get a lot of surprises, but some of the
yes,
incident we always remember in our life. Like we always keep it in our heart. Like we never forget actually.
yes. Actually, these kind of surprises we get mostly because sometimes we are not planned to go anywhere, and all of a sudden we get any plan and we just move for that. It
Yeah, and I
happens.
think sometime it happens. Our sudden plan gets succeed, but when we
Really.
plan for a very long time, so that thing doesn't happen.
That is always in vain. It keeps on procrastinating.
Yes, yes. Whenever I plan with my friends, like, yes, we are going somewhere or any different state or country to visit. So that time we plan a lot, even we discuss a lot over the phone, and a lot of discussion happens, but that time that plan doesn't happen. And sometime it happens with sudden plan, like, yes, tomorrow we are going this place, and everything just finalize in at the same moment. and that plan gets
Really.
succeed at the moment only. So it happens sometimes.
Yes, and that idea is always charismatic. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so I was just thinking that in like if we talk about this these days, so people who does marriage or like wedding ceremony, so they spend a lot of money on the lot of other things. Like you must have seen the
Mm.
different kind of what can I say, the decoration and everything. Uh, so what is your suggestion, or what is your uh, point of view on that?
Yeah. Actually, when it comes to me, I'm the person who just want to celebrate all these special days with my family only, and making celebration with others. It is really a wastage of time and wastage of money together.
Mhm.
Because what happened when we make any plan, so it is always very expensive, and when we think that this is full of expense of our thoughts, so it's not like that. What happened in the particular function, if we are not getting what we just want to get, sometimes one person gets angry, sometimes another person gets angry
Yes.
on tribal things. So that time all those celebration goes in van. And another thing is that when we make these kind of celebration, when it comes to me, I always think that celebration means we spend quality time with each other. And if
Mhm.
we are not able to provide quality time with our spouse or family, so what is the use of that celebration? Sometimes we are busy in ordering something, in the catering work, and in inviting other peoples, and so many times just means instead of that we should think that how we can make it useful, and how we can make that time quality time with others. Yes.
Yes.
Whatever money, yeah, whatever money we are using every year in these kind of celebrations, so we can just collect it, invest it wisely in our, in updating ourselves, in updating our skills,
Mhm.
or something else, something where you can find your satisfaction.
Yes, yes. I am just asking this thing because in if we talk about this scenario, like nowadays uh people want to, if we talk about marriage only, so people want to make it
Hmm.
memorable. So they want to do something unique
Hmm.
things according to the scenario. Like they want something unique and new for them. But sometimes it happens because of thinking the new things or unique thing, we get into the trouble. I had seen some of videos also, like in the marriage, the groom and bride was just using the gunfire, and because of that they're, I don't
Hmm.
know, they burned or something.
And they are just coming across with some accident.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So because of that we get into the trouble also sometimes. But
Mm,
I think it's every individual's choice, so we can't complain it. But yeah, if we talk about
really.
like our personal opinion, so I also want, I don't want grand celebration for anything. So we can spend that money in
Mm,
some other way. You must have seen some of the good people who invest that money in to help the needy
yes.
people. They feed them, or they do something else. They plant a tree or something like that. So they do a lot of other creative
Yes.
things.
Yeah. Actually, instead of making so huge celebration, we can make it small, sweet, and comfortable with our family. Yes.
Yes, yes, you are right. I am celebrating my birthday with my friends. So we usually go to a
Mm,
restaurant and where we cut the cake and we dance together and do this kind of a stuff. But I remember the
that is the best
incident.
thing.
But I remember one thing, like earlier when I was a child, so I used to celebrate with my family members at our home. We used to prepare different kind of
Mm,
dishes, and my father used to give me a different gift, like the special gift to me. So that is the kind of different
mm,
feeling. Still, I remember those memories, and I feel like that time
yes.
was more memorable than these things.
Mm. Yes, it happens actually nowadays. I also make celebrate my son's birthday in this manner only. But my
Mhm.
elder son now don't want to celebrate in that way. Now he just want to celebrate as he has grown up little bit. So
Mhm.
he just want to celebrate with his friends and younger ones, brother. Younger ones son. I am just celebrating in that manner only. I just call all his friends and cut the cake with my family and made special dishes for his favorite one special. So in this way we just celebrate and
Yeah.
some dance carols in this way.
Oh, that's good to know. Yeah. So do you ever think that like when we see other people on social media, like how they are celebrating or their way of
Mhm.
celebration is different, so we think that sometimes we should also adopt this kind of things. So, do you think like that or no?
Actually, I don't run behind the race. I always follow my rules that are for my perception. Yes.
Yes, yes. And I think that is the good thing.
Because we should not copy others. We should focus on our happiness, our likings, what we want, not what others want.
Hmm. Yes, yes, absolutely right. So because everyone's choice and everyone's decision and everything is different. So we can't compare like this. Not for this
Hmm.
purpose, but for anything we can't compare with other people. And when you
Yes.
compare with other people, so that time we hamper our life and our things also.
What do you think the photos and the memories, whatever they are uploading on social media like Insta, Facebook, or YouTube, what
Hmm.
kind of videos they are uploading? Are those everything means actual truth?
Not
it,
really.
it can't be actual truth. Yes.
To be honest, it is not a real truth. 2 or 3 days back only, I saw one news about one influencer. She was
Hmm.
making a video to entertain other people. So you can't
Hmm.
see that yes, see the person she was facing the, what can I say, mental trauma or something in her personal
Hmm.
life, and she got died few days back. So,
Hmm.
what people usually see, that you are the person, you are very funny and you are an entertainer person on social media. So people judge you according to that things only. But
Yes.
what things you
Actually,
are
they
going
just
through, so,
want.
so people don't know.
Hmm. Actually, today's scenario is like that. People don't want to express their real situation in front of the public or people. They
Hmm.
just want to show off that yes, we are the best, and whatever we are doing, nobody others can do. And means their lifestyle,
Hmm.
their living status, and how they are behaving, at what level they are doing, and workplace, how happy and they are at their workplace. So these all are totally illusion.
Yes. So
Someday
we
they know what is the truth of their life.
Yes, yes, yes. But people think about their status and story according to that thing. But it is not always
Yes.
true. So even I like to,
Yeah.
post sad photos or videos sometime, like sad quotation. So sometimes my friends ask me what happened to you
Hmm.
like that. But I am not, to be honest, I'm not sad. But I like to post that kind of things. I don't know why. So that time they feel like, yes, I'm going.
Yeah. Yes. Actually, in everyone's mind, there is one kind of philosopher, and that can be wake up at every time.
Yes, yes. So we
Yes,
can't judge according to the,
really. Life is
status
also
or.
a kind of philosophy.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I need to wrap up this call because my sister is calling me again and again. So I need to wrap up. Okay, is it fine?
Really, I enjoyed a lot with you.
Yeah, likewise. Even I didn't think that this topic will go like in that way, but yeah, I really enjoyed this talking with you. Up and
Sometimes this conversation goes in different ways.
Yeah, right, right. I just got the word celebration. Even I didn't think about that whether I should discuss or not, but I just, put this here.
Mm,
Okay, so
really.
thank you
Okay,
so much
then
for
bye
your
bye.
time. Bye
Have
bye.
a nice day.